Good morning children, welcome to my class. So today in class 4 English language we are going to do page number 84 and 85. This is learning with Ladybird. Okay, here also we are going to talk about past continuous tense. Okay, we use the past continuous to talk about something we were doing at a time in the past. Okay, we use past continuous tense to talk about action that we were doing in the past but which continued for some time. Alright, okay. So you see here, example is being given here. Maria started jumping at 1:30. She started jumping. Maria was jumping. Maria stopped jumping at 2:30. So from 1:30 to 2:30, she was jumping. She was doing some work. She was doing some action. So what was she doing? She was jumping. Okay. So you see here this time from 1:30 to 2:30 she was jumping. So this is known as past continuous tense. She was doing something. Okay, she was doing something at a time in the past. This 1 hour she was jumping. Okay. Now you see here some examples are given here. I, he, she, it was sleeping at 6 o'clock. The rules you know. Okay, the structure of the sentence, how to form actually past continuous tense you know. Alright. I, he, she, it was sleeping at 6 o'clock. You see here. Here you see the subject, that is I, he, she, it, all these are pronouns. We are going to use was with them. Was plus verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence. Okay. You, we, they. With this we are going to use were eating. Were, we will use were actually. Okay. Plus verb plus ing plus rest of the sentence. Alright. Then see. We have to change here. You see the sentence here. The sentence is affirmative, that is, this is a positive sentence, you can say the statement. Okay, now we have to change it into negative. What will be its negative? I, he, she, it wasn't playing football at 4 o'clock, and you, we, they weren't singing at 3 o'clock. Alright, now you see your next one, forming questions. How to form questions? Was I or he or she or it watching TV at 8 o'clock? Yes, I or he or she or it was. Okay, suppose let us take only I. Was I watching TV at 8 o'clock? Yes, I was. Okay, no, I wasn't. Alright, were you or we or they listening to music at 2 o'clock? You see here, with you, we, they, we use were, you know. Okay, so were you or we or they listening to music at 2 o'clock? Yes. You can say yes, you were, yes, we were, yes, they were. Or no, you weren't, no, we weren't, no, they weren't. Okay. Now you see here the past is the time before now. You know what is past. We were studying in this classes, we are talking about past tense and past continuous tense. So by now you have got the idea that what is past tense. Alright. The time before now, that has already, the time which is already over. Okay, that is past. Okay, we are going to do this exercises. Please see. This is exercise 1. Ahmed, first you see the question, read and put a tick in the correct boxes. So please do it in the book itself. This is page 85. Read and put a tick in the correct boxes. I am saying you please do it. Number 1, Ahmed was walking or were walking. So you see here Ahmed, it's a name and it is, the subject is singular. So obviously you are going to take was walking, because Ahmed is only one person. Ahmed was walking to school at 7 o'clock yesterday morning. Alright. Number 2, the children. You see here the subject is plural. So the children were watching a film at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. The children was watching or were watching. So the correct answer is the children were watching a film at 8 o'clock yesterday morning. In 3 number you see Sam wasn't do or wasn't doing. So here we are using past continuous. So here the answer will be wasn't doing. Sam wasn't doing his homework at 6 o'clock yesterday evening. Number 4 you see. You have to frame question here. Was Marta playing or was Marta played? So here we are using continuous. So was Marta playing at 3 o'clock last Saturday afternoon? Was Marta playing at 3 o'clock last Saturday afternoon? Number 2 you see. Number 2 I am going to write. Look and write. Use the past continuous. Kim danced 3 o'clock yesterday. This is already done. Okay, Kim was dancing at 3 o'clock yesterday. This is also already done in the book. Kim was dancing at 3 o'clock yesterday. Number 2 you see. Steven not play tennis 8 o'clock last Tuesday. Okay, this is number 2. This is question number 2 and this is number 2. Okay, so you see Steven wasn't playing tennis. Steven wasn't, the sentence is a negative sentence. Steven wasn't playing because not play tennis. So we are going to, with Steven is singular, third person. So we are going to use wasn't playing. Wasn't playing. Was we will use with was, not. So wasn't playing tennis at 8 o'clock last Tuesday. 8 o'clock last Tuesday. Okay. Next number you see. Third number. James and Tom sleep 6 o'clock yesterday. So you see we have to frame question. So James and Tom, two persons are there. So we are going to use where. Okay, where James and Tom sleeping at 6 o'clock yesterday. Where James and Tom sleeping at 6 o'clock yesterday. At 6 o'clock yesterday. Put a question mark. Then the answer is no, they weren't. No, they weren't. Okay, this is number 3. Last number, number 4. Lawrence ride his bike 11 o'clock yesterday. So we have to form question. Okay. So Lawrence you see is singular, third person and one. Okay. Singular means one person. So was Lawrence riding his bike at 11 o'clock yesterday? Riding his bike at 11 o'clock yesterday. Was Lawrence riding his bike at 11 o'clock yesterday? Yes, she was. The answer is yes, she was. Alright, please once again you follow. Number 2, Steven not play tennis 8 o'clock last Tuesday. Steven wasn't playing tennis at 8 o'clock last Tuesday. Number 3, James and Tom sleep 6 o'clock yesterday. So we have to frame questions. Were James and Tom sleeping at 6 o'clock yesterday? We have given a question mark here. Okay. Answer no, they weren't. Number 4, Lawrence ride his bike 11 o'clock yesterday. Question, was Lawrence riding his bike at 11 o'clock yesterday? Answer, yes, she was. So children, we have completed this lesson. Everything we have done in this chapter. This is lesson 11, the past tense. So you have in this lesson you studied about past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense we have done. Alright. Please go through the lesson thoroughly. Do every exercise in your English language copies. Thank you.